Petrol and energy giant Royal Dutch Shell has reclaimed its spot as Europe's top-ranked public company on the Forbes Global 2000 ranking, pushing German car giant Volkswagen AG back down into second place. The London-based Anglo-Dutch giant, with its distinctive yellow and red branding seen across Europe's gasoline forecourts, is valued at $211 billion this year, a rise of nearly 40% over the year and over double the value of second-placed Volkswagen AG. In May, Shell reported its highest-ever quarterly profits for the first 3 months of 2022 at $9.13 billion, following a sharp rise in oil prices further heightened by Russia's invasion of Ukraine in February and the punitive sanction regime placed on Russia thereafter. Having fallen to 324 on the list of 2,000 listed companies last year, Shell has shaken off its pandemic blues and returned to the 16th spot globally in 2022. In Europe's second spot, Volkswagen AG, the famous German car giant that manufactures some of the best-known names in world motoring Porsche, Audi, Lamborghini, Bentley has lost over $60 billion in value over the last 12 months. Carmakers like Volkswagen have cut production thanks in part to a severe global shortage of chips and the ongoing fallout of its diesel emissions scandal, which has sent the share price down by around 30% since last year's list was published. Next on the list is Total SA. Another European oil and gas giant, Total has risen alongside Shell for many of the same reasons, and last year's 344th place company on the Forbes Global 2000 has shot up into the top 29 this year. Away from oil, German insurance giant Allianz and Britain's biggest bank HSBC complete the top 5. Since 2003, Forbes Global 2000 list has measured the world's largest public companies in terms of 4 equally weighted metrics: assets, market value, sales and profits. This year the list is compiled using data from FactSet Research, and our market value calculation is based on closing prices from April 22, 2022. All figures are consolidated and in US dollars. In terms of big business and geography, Europe's 3 dominant economic powers, Germany, France and the UK. Germany has 52 companies on the ranking, France has 54, the UK has 57.